back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can make $120 per hour transcribing. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That guy loves it when you hit that button. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours. So let's get started. The name of the website is AudioB. This is a transcription website that allows you to earn money online by transcribing audio files. It's similar to Rev, Go Transcript and the likes, but what I like about this website, there is more than one way in which you can earn. The first one obviously is transcribing, but you can also earn from voiceover recording jobs. However, unlike transcription where you get paid for each approved work, in order to get paid for voiceover work, you have to submit 3 samples first. These voice samples kind of serve as your portfolio. The client will listen to them before approving you to do the work for them. So put your best foot forward. Make sure you are recording in a quiet environment, maybe even with some microphone or earphones if you have. The company will let you know if the quality of the recording is not good enough and you'll have to redo it. Once you pass, you can start taking recording jobs. You'll receive a notification for each job that is suitable for your profile. Even I have been transcribing for over 2 years, but I still read instructions carefully. For voice-over recording jobs, you will have different instructions for each job because it depends on the client, but for the transcription, you will pretty much use the same instructions. You can also work as an annotator. They have segmentation and annotation jobs. As an annotator, you will be listening to audio files and classifying the audio with suitable tags and labels. Data annotation is a human-led task of labeling content such as text, audio, images, and even videos, so it can be recognized by machine learning models and used to make predictions. Image annotation involves labeling the data which is available in the form of images to make the objects in the image recognizable through computer vision technology. Segmentation, on the other hand, is used to detect, classify, localize, and segment the objects for computer vision. It is used for more precise recognition of projects in a single class to differentiate them from each other. Companies or AudioB clients use segmentation to build computer vision based applications that require high accuracy. So this is where you come in. I actually didn't know there was such a job until I came across this website a couple of weeks ago. And now I'm going to look for more jobs like this and share with you guys. AudioB does guide you, and they even provide free training to help you master the annotation and segmentation skill. Annotation and segmentation sounds fancier than transcription, but this job actually pays much less. You can earn up to $7 per hour. Labeling images is much easier than an hour of transcription. By the way, the $120 per hour of transcription is the money you make per audio hour. It doesn't mean that if you log in and do 15 minutes of work in 1 hour, you will immediately get $120. If you are a transcriber, you already know this, but I thought I should clarify for those of you who are new. From transcription alone, you can make up to $120 per hour, but if you take into consideration other methods of earning from this site, you can actually earn more. To get started, firstly, you have to sign up as a freelancer, and then once you have passed, you will be able to start working. As you can see here, anyone can apply regardless of your location. You get to choose your own schedule, work whenever you want or whenever you can, but of course, the more hours you put in, the better. They pay via PayPal, any amount, no minimum threshold, or you can opt out for Pioneer if maybe you come from a country that doesn't have PayPal. But you will need to reach $50 before you can get paid if you are using Pioneer. Even though it's not compulsory to work X amount of hours weekly or monthly, if you have been working for some time on the platform and you have been submitting high quality work, you have an opportunity to also work as a reviewer where you'll be reviewing other people's audios, checking their mistakes. This company has a variety of languages. You don't have to know English. Well, I guess you already know English if you're listening to this, but you can transcribe for more than one language or even your own language if you are not comfortable with other languages. Bear in mind that depending on the language, there may be some scarcity of jobs to a certain degree. Hence, I recommend you choose multiple languages. If you're from South Africa, for example, and you know Afrikaans, You can transcribe in English and Afrikaans. Even English is divided according to countries. We have different accents, so it may be hard for someone to understand American or British English. It can also be hard for an American person to understand Nigerian English or Indian English. Such audios are transcribed by people from those countries, or at least people who understand. AudioB is really inclusive. Most companies require you to know American or British English, but here you have options. They also plan on offering translation services, so be on the lookout for that. It's going to be another opportunity for you to earn. When I was preparing for this video, I thought about redoing my application process, of course with a different email, just to show you the application process, especially the test answers. But then I didn't want this video to be too long, so let me know if you'd like for me to redo the application and share the answers. In the meantime, go ahead and get started with your application. The link will be down below, and if you have any questions, comment. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can. For more legit opportunities, check out this playlist, and of course don't forget to subscribe.